Hello friends, welcome to one more interesting session of business communication skills. I hope you loved my presentation skills week. From today I am going to start employability skills week. Now what is employability skill? Employability skills are those skills by which a person is eligible so that an organization can hire that person. Employability skills are the abilities that a person must possess so that every organization should hire that person as an employee. In this regard, I am going to tell you today the problem solving skills. This is the most crucial employability skills, ladies and gentlemen, the problem solving skills. In any organization, what we exactly do is we basically try to solve the problem day and night. Whatever task we have been assigned in the organization, basically those tasks are problems that are being faced by the organization in their different departments, be it finance, be it engineering, be it sales, be it any other department of the organization. So basically what we are doing is we are basically involved in problem solving activity every day in any organization. Now what are the rules of solving the problem? The very first rule is understanding the problem. Trying to find out the source of the problem is the very first step. An organization is facing a problem. You have been assigned a task related to that. First of all, you need to find out the root cause of that problem. Why the problem occurred initially at the very first place. Once you identify the root cause of the problem, then in next step, you try to find out that how different things those who are responsible for occurrence of the problem can be systematically removed. So the first step is identification of the problem. The second step is finding out the tools by which those problems can be eradicated. After a second step, the third step is discussion of the problem with the appropriate people in the organization. After arranging all the resources, you discuss the problem with everyone whosoever is directly related to that problem. You tell those people all the aspect of those problems, and you also tell them that you have also kept certain resources by the help of which those problems can be eradicated. Now that group works on the resources given by you to find out the appropriate solution of the problem. They do lots of experiments day in and day out to find the exact conclusion that is the most appropriate solution of that problem. It may take more than 1 week or 2 weeks to sort out the problem in case the problem is a big one. Otherwise, it takes only 1 day to sort out the problem, ladies and gentlemen. Sorting out of the problem entirely depends on how big the problem is. Human activity has a very less role to play in this regard. Now, after working on different aspects of the solution, we have to select the best possible solution. Now, what is the criteria of selecting the best possible solution among a large number of solutions given by the people who were sorting out that problem? Definitely, if a group of people is sorting out that problem, every individual person in the group will give his or her opinion regarding the solution of the problem. Now, you need to decide as a manager that which solution you have to actually implement. Now, the selection of the solution depends on only one criteria, that only that solution is accepted that produces less quantity of risk. Ladies and gentlemen, whatever solution people provide for a particular problem in an organization, it is not possible that the solution has no risk at all. A solution might contain 0.1% of risk, but the risk and side effects will definitely be there. So as a decision maker, our responsibility at that time is to pick up that solution which is having minimum possible risk. So we pick up that solution which is having minimum possible risk and then implement that solution. Definitely, since the problem has minimum quantity of risk, the results will be highly satisfactory. And once we give the satisfactory result, it means that we have got the exact solution of the problem. Then what is the next step after finding out the appropriate solution of the problem? Next step is storage of the technique that we have applied to sort out that problem. The technique that we have applied to sort out the problem, it is stored forever in an organization, ladies and gentlemen, because similar kind of problem might occur again. And if similar type of problem occurs again, in that case, instead of again finding out the most appropriate solution, we have already a ready solution that can be implemented immediately. It saves the time and energy of the people working in organization, ladies and gentlemen, and provides a ready-made solution to the problem. Now, this is the criteria, and these are certain steps that are followed by every organization in finding out the solution of a problem. These are the basic solution finding steps that I have told you, and these solution finding steps are applicable to every branch of the organization, as I said earlier, be it finance, be it marketing, be it technical. Now, this is known as problem solving skill. If we follow all these steps that I just told you thoroughly, any problem can be sorted out easily. So I hope that today's session of mine is appropriate for you, and you will also follow the same rules which I just told you. Thanks for being with me, ladies and gentlemen. Tomorrow I will bring one more important aspect of corporate skills. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.